Welcome to a new farm demo tutorial. This short video will give you an overview of many tools, such as guidelines, templates, checklists that were developed during the farm demo projects. I'm Anke Beermann from Fiebel, Switzerland, and I have Laure Triste from Ilvo, Belgium with me. Laure, can you give us some background information on these tools?
We developed the tools to support advisors and farmers in the three phases of the organization of a demonstration event: the preparation phase, the delivery of the demonstration event, and the evaluation and follow-up. And the tools were tested and improved based on the feedback from practitioners and then added to the farm demo training kit.
There are over 25 tools, checklists, etc. available online. Let's have a closer look and start with the tools for preparing a demo event. I guess everybody who has organized a demo event knows that feeling. At the beginning of the organizing process, 100 ideas run through the head of the organizing team. How can you deal with this in a structured and creative way?
The training kit provides, for example, a tool to brainstorm with your team on the organization of your demonstration event. It helps you to structure the many ideas and to keep up the creativity. It also helps you to consider all the relevant aspects to decide upon during the preparation, such as objectives, timing, facilities, and all the criteria for selecting a suitable host farm. To promote your event, we also made templates for a good invitation flyer.
Indeed, advertising seems crucial for reaching your target audience and ensuring that they attend your event. We now have Clément Hollard with us. He is a hub coach in France and has used some of these tools to promote his events.
So yes, indeed, the farmers really need an attractive invitation, so it has to be attractive visually, but they also need to see keywords to show them what they will learn into this demo event. And the farm demo training kit really gives a nice template to prepare this invitation. It also provides interesting guidelines and advice on how to spread your promotion material and your invitation on the media and on the different channels to touch the farmers.
We have now seen some examples of tools to support the preparation of an event. Laure, what tools do you offer delivering the actual event?
Well, a first set of tools can help you in deciding which learning methods to use in which circumstances. For example, storytelling helps participants better to remember key messages, but it requires a gifted speaker to tell something lively. We also provide some tools on how to increase the exchange with and between participants on your event. And this is a very important aspect of your event, because the moment of group reflection, then you reflect together on what you have seen and what could be useful for them. And that is when the learning happens. And the training kit offers some scripts and templates on how you can organize such a group reflection.
How do you motivate your participants at demo events to actively share their experiences with others, Clément?
Yeah, so in my own group, the farmers already know each other, so they are confident to talk with the other farmers. But in a new group, you really need to make them confident so that they can feel that their own experience is interesting for others and that it will help the other farmer to improve their own practices. On the farm demo training kit, you can have some tips and some tricks to make them confident and to facilitate the interaction between them. But actually, you really need to practice on the field by your own, by learning with other colleagues or with experienced farmers.
So when the event is finished, the organizers can all go home and have a good rest on the couch until the next event, Laure?
No, absolutely not. An important but often overlooked final phase is the follow-up and evaluation of a demonstration event. And it is important because it is the only way to learn and improve your future demonstrations. It allows you to know whether your demonstration event actually worked and reached your initial objectives, and how you can also improve the future events.
And what kind of tools do you offer for evaluation?
Well, demo organizers typically tend to evaluate a demonstration event somewhat intuitively, based on their own impressions or things they saw, or they think, it went well. And the Farm Demonstration Training Kit offers some tools to do this in a more structured way by monitoring the activities, which can better provide insights in the successes and the failures of your event. For example, there is a clear monitoring checklist with questions for the entire organization process from the start to the end. And there are also some observation tools that you can use during the event. And there are also some exit polls and participant surveys to send to your participants afterwards.
Clément, how did you use the training kit for the evaluation?
So yes, the evaluation process is something that I most of the time neglect in the demo event because it's the end of the event and people don't really have time for it. We still have a formal discussion with what the farmers liked and or disliked, but I think this is really something that I can improve, and I found on the Farm Demo Training Kit nice polls and checking list of questions that you can ask to the participants. I think, however, that you really need to pick up the interesting questions to make it simple, user-friendly and short, so that the people are not overloaded with this evaluation at the end.
As you can see, the training kit offers a lot of practical support and inspiration to make your next demo event even better.
Well, we already collected a lot of tools, but this is an ongoing story. And if others would have interesting tools for this training kit, we would be very, very happy if you could share them with us.
For more details, please check trainingkit.farmdemo.eu. Which tools do you find useful? Let us know in the comments below.